To see what I see on the Bitcoin charts, because you need to take action very fast if you are invested or you're looking to invest into Bitcoin, because right now Bitcoin is at that breaking point where we could be over or this rally can just begin. Let's jump straight into the charts. So as you can see right now, guys, Bitcoin is in this bullish triangle about to break out. And look, the past 3 times that it was in this triangle formation, 1, 2, and 3, and we broke out to the upside. Look, back when it was in May, guys, tell me that this triangle here doesn't look crazily like this triangle just here. And what happened when we broke out this triangle? We went from 94,000 all the way up to 120,000 where we are now, guys. So that is a 40K increase. Not only does the Bitcoin chart look absolutely bullish, guys, the news on Bitcoin right now is absolutely bullish as well. Check this out. Somebody just opened a $226 million long position on Bitcoin. Guys, when you see these big positioning, it's usually insider trading because they know something that you don't know. So just a few days ago, BlackRock has bought nearly $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. Guys, if you don't know who BlackRock is, you better Google it right now because they run the world. And another great news is all these liquidations over the past few hours. Guys, this is needed. You need to have a flush out in the market for it to go back up. And usually, when the markets flush out $1 billion worth of shorts, what's next? Yes, longs are next. Bitcoin is looking bullish. Ethereum is absolutely looking bullish right now. As well as Bitcoin, it is in a bullish triangle and it is about to break out. You need to understand how bullish President Trump is on Ethereum. Now he owns nearly over $250 million worth of Ethereum. Do you understand what I'm saying right now? The President of the United States owns $250 million worth of Ethereum. What do you think he's going to do to this asset? He's going to pump it over the next few months. Take a watch of this, guys. This is the main reason why, one of the reasons of many why Ethereum will be pumping over the next few months, if not years. First of all, I want to tell you who Tom Lee is. Tom Lee is a brother of the guy that owns Litecoin, one of the biggest cryptocurrencies on the planet. And Tom Lee is also an early investor and adopter in Bitcoin. Take a listen to what he has to say.
In the near term, our technical strategist Mark Newton thought we could be seeing 4,000 before the end of the month for Ethereum, but that's not where it peaks.
What's your price target for ETH as we head into the second half of the year?
Our price objectives at Fundstrat. So I wear a couple of hats. You know, I'm the chairman of Midline, but I'm also the head of research at Fundstrat. And actually I have a third role, who's a CIO of Fundstrat Capital. But at Fundstrat, Sean Farrell is the head of digital assets research. And he's given me some informal sort of targets. One way he thinks of this is that if we look at Circle and its free cash multiple, which now is like 130 times EBITDA, on an equivalent basis, Ethereum is closer to 15,000. And that makes sense. I think the layer one, as you know, as you get into layer one, you should apply a higher multiple to like sort of theoretical usage because it's the same reason software companies get higher multiples than retailers, right? The more you're getting away from the customer and the more it's pure signal, you apply higher multiples to that business. And so I think in the near term, our technical strategist marketing thought we could be seeing 4,000 for the end of the month for Ethereum, but that's not where it peaks. He just thinks that that's the first target. And then I think something, you know, if Sean Farrell's math is correct, then I think 10 to 15,000 actually makes sense too.
By the end of the year?
Yeah, it could be end of the year, it could be sooner, it just really depends. But that, and again, that wouldn't be the case. So
10 to 15,000 is his prediction for Ethereum. This guy is no joke. Also, remember, guys, he is doing exactly what Michael Saylor did to Bitcoin. Okay? Long story short, Michael Saylor bought loads of Bitcoin, put it through his company, and told other big companies that they should be investing into Bitcoin and put it on part of their books. Okay? And this is exactly what Tom Lee is doing for Ethereum. I am highly bullish on Ethereum, and if you want to put some trades on, the biggest trades I've put in my life has been on Ethereum and has been on Bitcoin over the next few months. The link is in the bio for blofin, and if you take a look, they have given you the best rewards possible to use their platform. If you want to learn how to actually use blofin, look in on my YouTube, and there is videos showing you how to use it, but it's very, very simple. All you got to do is just add your crypto in here, transfer it over from your spot holdings to your future USDT future, and then you can start longing and shorting Bitcoin or Ethereum or any crypto that you want. Whatever leverage you want to use is here. Always use isolated, guys. Put the percentage amount you want to use that's in your funded account, and buy long or buy short. Very simple stuff. I'll leave all the links in the description for blofin. Till the next time, peace.